Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update apps on your Sony KD-43X TV. First of all, make sure that you have an internet connection. To do that, press the settings button on your remote control and open all settings menu. Here, find network and internet menu and open it. Make sure that you have one network that has the connected status on it, or if you are connected to using cable, then make sure that your Ethernet has a connected status. After that, go to the Apps tab, and here you can find any application that you want to update. And if you want to update this particular application, usually if you just open it, it will ask you to update it, and then you'll just have to press update, and the update will begin. You can also hold your OK button on the application, select View Details, and if it has any updates to it, you will see the update option next to Open and Uninstall options. And by pressing the update option, you will begin the update of the application. Now, if you want to update all applications on your TV, you have to go back to Settings, then navigate to Apps, open Apps, and enter Google Play Store, though you will probably not have it right here. If you want to find it, you have to go to See All Apps option, then navigate all the way down this list to show System Apps and open this menu. Now in System Apps, go to the G letter to find Google Play. Here it is. Then open the Google Play Store. And now you have to go to the top bar of the application, navigate to your account, go to Updates menu, and here select Check for updates. And if there are any updates, you'll be able to press Update All to update all applications that are present on your TV. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.